Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about our Color Attack Matte Black. It's perfect for painting fences, as you can see. Also, it can work in media rooms, blackout rooms, anything interior or exterior. As you can see, it's got fantastic coverage. Also, a side note is that it doesn't require any primers on most surfaces. If you're unsure about anything regarding this product, please contact us directly. We're always happy to help. And we'll just speed things up a little bit so you don't have to watch me painting the entire fence. This is a water-based acrylic, so it's nice and easy to use. You can wash up with water. I don't know if you can tell here, but it did start to rain towards the end of me doing this fence. So I did cut it a little bit short before you come after me for not finishing the job. However, I did come back, and here we go for the second coat plus finishing off what we were doing the other day. This was on a nice warm day. It was drying nice and quickly, so it was super easy to do. And there we have it, 2 coats on that fence. And this here again is our Color Attack Matte Black. If you've got any other questions about this product or any of our other products, don't hesitate to contact us directly.